Hello everyone, booked a flight with Ryanair and need to change the dates? Good news, you can do it online in just a few minutes. So you need to firstly log into your My Ryanair, open the website or app and tap My Bookings or My Trips, sign in with your accounts. Find the flights you wish to change and click Manage this booking. You can select Change your flights. You can also adjust the departure time, date or even the airport. Just ensure it's at least 2.5 hours before the original departure. You'll be shown a cost breakdown. Charge fee is usually 35 to 45 euros per person and flight. Any fare difference higher or lower, though Ryanair doesn't refund cheaper fares. After that, just click Continue, enter your payment details and finalize the change. That's pretty much how to change your flight dates. Quick, easy and budget aware. If this video helped, tap like and subscribe for more travel tips. And of course, check the description. Safe travels and fly smart.